Hey everyone, welcome back. If your HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 is giving you that frustrating paper jam message, don't worry. In today's video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to find and remove any stuck papers from your printer so you can start working smoothly again. So let's get started. First, while your printer is turned on, open the front door and the cartridge access door. Now take a look inside, check carefully for any stuck paper. Then pull out the paper path cover. Check for any paper jams inside and gently pull the paper out. Be careful not to tear it. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.